Luxury environment. Private spa suites designed for complete comfort and privacy. Soft ambient lighting that creates a calm, relaxing atmosphere. Aromatherapy scents that help clients unwind instantly. Elegant interiors that feel more like a luxury hotel than a spa. Peaceful music that turns the experience into pure relaxation. Premium waxing experience. High-quality wax formulas designed for smooth results. Temperature-controlled wax for maximum comfort. Gentle techniques designed to reduce discomfort. Professional-grade tools used for precision and hygiene. Skin-friendly wax suitable for sensitive skin types. Personalized treatment. Customized waxing treatments based on skin type. Pre-wax skin preparation for better results. Expert consultation before the treatment begins. Tailored waxing techniques for different areas. Attention to detail that ensures flawless results. Hygiene and professionalism. Medical-grade hygiene standards. Sanitized tools and equipment for every client. Clean and organized treatment spaces. Professional estheticians trained in advanced techniques. Discreet and respectful service for total comfort. Relaxation and care. Cooling treatments to soothe the skin afterward. Luxury skincare products used for aftercare. Hydrating lotions that leave skin silky smooth. Relaxing spa rituals before and after waxing. Stress-free environment designed to feel like a mini getaway. Exclusive touch. VIP-level service from start to finish. Attention to detail that makes clients feel special. A waxing experience designed to feel luxurious, not rushed. Premium spa atmosphere that feels like another world. An unforgettable beauty treatment that blends luxury with comfort.